I'm Ron from Kolleno, the leading suite app for managing accounts receivable seamlessly integrated with NetSuite, and today I will guide you through creating items for subscription plans in NetSuite. A subscription plan consists of items like recurring services, usage, commit plus overage, and one-time charges. Before creating a subscription plan, you need to create item records for the products and services you sell as part of your subscriptions. Here's how you do it. You first go to NetSuite List, Accounting, Items, New. You select the item types. The subscription items must either be non-inventory item or service item for sale. For non-inventory item, you would click on for sale or for resale under this non-inventory item. For service item, you would click here on for sale, for resale. So here I'll click on one, for example, for service for sale. So in the top left, in the item name number, we can enter my first item. You enter any value that you would like. And then you can define optional fields like class, departments, location if it's activated. I haven't activated here, but I'll probably do it for subsequent videos. And these help categorize your items for easier reporting and organization. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more detailed NetSuite tutorials. And then you complete any additional fields as needed. When you've progressed, you go to the accounting subtab. And from the tax schedule list, you can select tax schedule. You can also add a new tax schedule by clicking on the open arrow here. You can then go to the preferences subtab, it's here. And you see that box can be fulfilled received. For non-inventory items, this box is checked by default and must be cleared. For service items, this box is cleared by default. Once you're happy, you just click on Save, and then you congratulate yourself for having created an item for your subscription plan. If you found this tutorial helpful, first you like this video, and once you've liked the video and because you've really appreciated it, you visit kolleno.com to know how to collect those SuiteBilling invoices. Bye bye!